Hello guys, welcome to Substance Painter Starter course. In this course, you will learn how to use Substance Painter to achieve the best results. This course is designed to teach you all the basics of Substance Painter and the ways and methods to use texture, brushes, smart materials with a project-based approach. Yes, we will try to texture a complete wheel including parts such as brake caliper, brake disc, rim, and tire to learn how to texture almost any object. If you haven't opened Substance Painter even once or you have some basic knowledge of it, I strongly recommend you take this course. One note about this course is that the videos are unedited, so you can see the raw process of texturing the models. We will face problems and challenges and we will solve them together, so there's a lot to learn in this course.